Okay, hi, my name is Kevin and I'm a patient of Dr. K's here at the dental practice, and a while back we talked about doing a night guard for the grinding of my teeth, and I have to say I was very skeptical about the whole procedure and what it would do. When they first put it in my mouth, it felt very uncomfortable and I didn't think it would work for me at all. But after I wore it for a few nights, I found out that the night guard actually got to feel better as time went on, and it definitely did help with getting me a good night's sleep. And I wasn't grinding my teeth anymore. My teeth weren't hurting when I would wake up in the morning or during the day, and I found out that it was very effective, and I recommend it for anybody that needs one.